Welcome everybody. Today we are going to introduce how to use the MMIP file for machine characteristic analysis. We are going to start out in Moldex3D Studio 2021 to demonstrate the operation. First of all, you can see a created project that has completed mesh generation and material selection. Next, open up the Moldex3D process wizard. In the setting method, you must select the machine mode instead of CAE mode, and then setting up the machine. On the drop-down menu for machine settings, click the New button. You can see the advanced option at the bottom left. Click it and select the import. Now choose your MMIP file, then you will bring in your MMIP file. Once the import procedure is completed, you can find out the injection molding machine is already on the user list. So you have successfully imported the MMIP file. Then we can browse the list on the left. Under the user selection, you can see the machines we have imported. Also, you have found there are two different icons. The original one is a human icon. And this injection machine icon is the one we created with the MMIP file. This allows us to clearly distinguish the imported machine and the original machine in the operation program. Next, click on the machine under the user list. Can be found under the project summary on the right. Display detailed content and parameters. Here, we want to introduce the parameter serial number in particular. Because it is a unique parameter in the MMIP file, this parameter is used to indicate the machine serial number in the factory. If the customer has multiple identification machines of the same model, you can use the parameter serial number to distinguish the machine response file. After confirming that there is no problem with the parameters, press OK. There is the View button on the right side of the machine settings. This allows us to more quickly confirm what the parameters of the machine we are using now. Then click the View button beside of the machine settings. You can find out the parameters of your MMIP file and click OK after confirming. Next step, you will need to set up for fill pack and cooling setting. Remember that the filling, packing, and cooling parameters do not need to be changed for MMIP file. MMIP file will automatically import your molding condition into the machine settings and directly reflect its response curve. The fill, pack, and cool settings is stored according to the user's original settings. Click Save button after you finish the setup. After accomplishing the setup of analysis, and computation, we can perform simulation analysis with Run button. The result curve will include the simulated data of MMIP, which is the actual response curve of your injection machine. All analyses have been completed so far. Now, if you want to check the influence and effect of machine characteristic analysis, first click the result on the ribbon. Then scroll down to select the XY curve in the fill and pack. Click the injection speed to see the response curve of injection speed and time. Here we can see during the filling stage. The analysis results have different behavior responses because of the influence of the MMIP file. Next, click on the injection pressure. In the latter part of the holding pressure, you can also see the influence due to the analysis of machine characteristics. The above is the introduction of the machine characteristic MMIP file. Thank you for watching this short tutorial, and please contact Moldex3D for any questions or issues with this process. Thank you, and go beyond simulation with Moldex3D.